Okay, so today we're making Masala Donner. Donner is readily available in the UK and by itself it's very tasty. But we're just going to spice things up a little bit today. We're going to make it a desi scran. Got a few other things going on in the kitchen today, but our main focus will be the Masala Donner. Okay, so for this dish you need one small onion chopped. This is the size of the onion we're using today. We've also got finely sliced ginger and garlic. Got one tomato sliced. For the spices we're going to be using dhania powder, got jeera, paprika, chili powder and some salt. Just got a teaspoon of each. We've chopped some spring onion over here, or scallion, and we've got some coriander or dhania. We've chopped 4 thin chillies and got a slice of lemon. We've used 3 mixed peppers and chopped them up. We also ordered 2 trays of doner. These are large trays of doner from my local takeaway. Cost me £4 each. Why don't you comment below how much a large tray of doner costs from your local. Okay, so we start off with a little bit of vegetable oil that goes into the pan. Into the oil, put 1 chopped onion. We'll cook these onions till they get a little bit browner in colour. So the doner that we have today is quite long in length, so we'll just chop that up. We've got quite a lot of doner here today, but we're going to be feeding about 8 people. So the ginger and garlic will go in. Next, all the spices go in. Chili, salt, coriander, paprika and jeera. So this is what we essentially call a tadka. Just add a little bit of water. Okay, so we add the 1 chopped tomato. Okay, so 3 peppers go in. Squeeze in the juice of a lemon. We're just going to add a little knob of butter to enhance the taste a little bit. And we'll let that melt in. So we're going to add in the first tray of the now chopped doner. Everybody in the house has been fasting for about 18 hours, so we're all really looking forward to this dish today. And then next we'll add the second tray of doner. At this stage you just want to make sure everything is mixed in, all the different masalas and the vegetable, so it's evenly distributed throughout. Finally, all this dish requires is a little bit of garnishing, so in goes the coriander and the spring onions. And there you have it, Masala Donner. If only you could smell what I'm smelling at the moment. So we're just going to make a few wraps out of this doner. You can do whatever you like with it. You can put it on rice, you can put it on naan bread. It's up to you. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe.